जसं फाटल्या फावटी तुका कमी मतां जाल्ली आनी ह्या फावटी लीड वाडल्या, सो कशें पळयता म्हापशेकारांचो?
It is, I believe, a sign that the people of Mapusa have voted for a clean face. हांव सगळ्यांचे अभिनंदन करता for choosing me to be the MLA for the second consecutive time. Special thanks to all the people that have worked with me. Lead असा तो कितें आसा, last time it was a by-election. There was more of a one-on-one competition. This time we have seen that many other candidates are there. I'm not entirely sure as to what are the numbers, but as soon as all 42 booths were counted, आमचे पोस्टल अजूनही चालू असा, so we are expecting another 250 to 300 plus voting in the postal ballot. So we are crossing 10. We have already crossed 10,000 votes. So it is much. I mean, last time we had 11,000. No, nonetheless, we have got a better lead this time. We are crossing. We are coming close to 2,000 votes in this coming this election.
जसो बाबा सदांच तुमचे ओपोनंट आशिल्ले ते म्हणटाले की डेव्हलपमेंट काय जालें ना, डेव्हलपमेंटाचो विशय घेवन म्हापश्यान कॉन्टेस्ट करप वयताले.
हय, हो मनीस जो आसलो फाटले 35 वर्सां हो म्युन्सिपालिटीन आसा, तेणें आपलें डेव्हलपमेंट कितें तें दाखोवचें. तेणें लोकांनी आतां वोट केले, लेट हिम स्क्रीम वॉट एवर ही हॅज टू स्क्रीम. म्हापश्याचें डेव्हलपमेंट जे जावपाचें आसा तें आतां फुडल्या 5 वर्सांत जातलें. आनी म्हापशेकारांक कितें जाय तें आमी सगळ्यांक वांगडा घेवन विचार करून आमी कित्याक म्हापशेकारांक कितें दिवंक जाय तें आमी दितात.
ओके, जे मायकल फॅक्टर आशिल्लो, मायकल फॅक्टर जो चलतालो पळय म्हापश्यान खूब डॅमेज करपा खातीर, सो तो कांय चल्लो ना म्हणटा तूं?
खंय चल्लो रे? आम्हाला लास्ट टायम म्हाका 11,000 पडले, ह्या फावटी 10,000. खंय डॅमेज केलो? हीस पर्सन हॅज लॉस्ट बाय ऑलमोस्ट 2,000 वोट्स. So I don't know what damage. I hope it is a lesson for him that he has learned not to interfere everywhere. And after all the money that he has spent in the constituency and distributing and doing all the wrong things, he has not seemed to have made any impact.
म्हापश्यान पैसे चल्ले ना म्हणटा तूं?
म्हापश्यान भरपूर पैसे उडयले म्हणटा.
पूण ते चल्ले ना?
चल्ले ना, कांयच चलना ते. सगळे शिक्षण लोक आसा, सगळे प्रामाणीक लोक आसा. They have voted for a clean face and they have voted for the right candidate. And again, thank you.
या, थँक्यू.
एकदाच घे मग.